In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Vantage account. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to vantagemarkets.com, which is their official website, and you want to click on the register button at the top right. When you do this, it's going to take you to a separate page where you can basically open a live account. Over here, you have to basically sign up using email or phone number, and then just put in all the info here, and you'll be able to create your account. Now, after you do that, you'll get the access to your Vantage client portal, okay? And then in here, you'll be able to open a Vantage account as well, so the trading account. Go to the Accounts tab up top, select if you want a demo or a live account to be opened, and then click on the one you want, click on open account next to it, and then select again live or demo. And then here you just have to basically put in a few things, select your trading platform, the account type, account currency, leverage, and the balance, click on submit, and then your Vantage account is going to be created, and you can go ahead and start trading on your desired platform. So that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.